We want to make sure there's no fold in the fabric, so we'll give it a good shake. And then come up here to find the front edge. Doesn't have to be the very edge, but kind of edge. And we're going to put our thumbs in. Our fingers are going to be out as if we could put our hands in our back pockets. And now we're going to scrunch up a little bit of fabric. Kind of a lot. A lot of fabric, but not all of it. Our elbows are going to come inside. And now our hands are going to come out so that we can see them on either side of our hips. We come on our tippy toes and push down, and then bring one hip at a time into the seat and push our hands down under our knees. Yes, nice. All right, we're bringing our arms out to the outside. Our elbows are visible, so we've got our little chicken wings back here. And we're gonna push out so that we feel the fabric on our shoulders, okay? Remember that we keep our chin tucked towards our chest and our feet are reaching towards the ground as we lean back. Now, when we lean back, we feel this fabric on us, so that gives us a sense of safety here, all right? And then we're bringing our fingertips to the back of our head for support. And our feet are going to come in just the heels. And now our heels are going to push that fabric out.
I think I'm going over fabric.
Yeah, push down and scooch your bottom back a little bit. There you go. Or and then do one more, Emily, because we need a little fabric.
Yeah.
Now, we're going to plant the left foot down into the fabric. And I don't know if you can see this, but my left foot is now covered with the edge of the fabric. And that leg is straight. Now, the right foot is going to come up and plant itself on top of that fabric. Our feet are now squeezing that fabric, and we're going to bring our feet towards the back wall. It looks like our action is going upward, and that's not true. Our action is going to the back wall. So we have, we've got to bring our shoulders in first. So we'll bring our shoulders in, and now the intensity is going to be in the back of the neck. Our hands are going to be here on the fabric. We're going to pull down and then give a push. So we pull until it's time to push. And remember, we're not going up, we're going to the back wall. So inhaling, we're going to start to push, pull. Now we're ready to pull down and send those feet to the back wall. And we can feel our weight in the fabric. We're then going to bring the other foot inside as well. So keep pushing until your feet go all the way back. Our fingers are going to come out. Yusuko, I'm going to come over there just a second. And then we can extend our body all the way into our fallen angel. We're keeping our core strong and our belly pulled up. We started left, so we're going to bring our left foot to the floor. And then send that back into a split stretch. And then from here, we're going to come back to standing, soften that leg. We're pushing down into the fabric with the top of this lifted leg foot. And on an exhale, we'll pass back through our passe position, lift the hips back in, and then bicycle the feet. So that folded fabric foot is going to come forward. The free foot comes out. Then this one comes out. And we can lift ourselves all the way back to seated. Now, one of the things that we can struggle with is getting back there. Slower is harder. So this time we're going to do it again, and maybe we go a little more quickly. So we'll lean back. When we lean back, we can keep our elbows out for support, and then we can bring our shoulders back in. We're going to extend the feet. Now we want to have enough fabric covering us that we can actually hold onto it. So I have fabric covering that foot, the edge of the fabric. I'm going to come over this way so I can see it on the camera. It's covered up. And then, so I'm going to cover my right this time, so I'll do left. And then the other foot comes on top, and we're squeezing that fabric so that we can bring the fabric with us to the back wall. So we take the inhale, and we're pushing. And now we're ready to exhale, pull down, push back. Yes. Now we let that foot push down into the fabric,
bring the other one in with it. And we're gonna we can keep holding on, but it's gonna feel better in our shoulders if we let our hands come out here. It's just a little scary. And then we bring the body out. We'll drop the other leg to the floor, foot to the floor, push back into that split. Fold back, push down with the lifted foot, pass through the passe, hips come inside, bicycle outward to come into standing. And then to exit, we can exit out the back like you said, good, that's right. So from here, we can keep our shoulders covered and look to the ground for our feet to land and finish. That is one of the ways we can get out of that.